GM everyone. I am Samarth Saxena, speaking on behalf of Team Rizzlers, which consists of Divij Kathuria and Gagan Chaudhary, who worked on the front end, Madhav Sharma, who worked on the design, and me. I worked on the smart contract and integrated it with the front end. In today's world, if a researcher wants to publish a research paper, they have to pay some fees to a publishing company or an organization. If someone else is to use their paper for some profit earning work, they have to take permission from the publishing company and also pay some royalty fees. Note that no money is ever paid out to the researcher, and the only party making money is the publishing company. We believe that this is wrong, and the entire process should be a no profit, no loss process. So today, I present to you Scholar3, a decentralized platform which has two parts. One is a completely not for profit part, and it allows you to upload your research papers to IPFS. Anyone and everyone can access them freely. Since we are using Pinata as a pinning provider in the background, thanks to Third Web, data permanence is also guaranteed. This is the part that we focused on for this hackathon. So I'll demo that first. This is the homepage of our project. We can upload our research papers, upload our books to IPFS. We have a small 2 paragraphs about our mission. The team is here and a basic footer over here. So I'll go to research. The smart contract for the research part is deployed on the Mantle testnet. So I've created a function to allow the user to switch to the Mantle test network whenever they go to the research section. Since I've already deployed 2 papers, they will show up over here. These 2 buttons also have functionality. If you click upload a paper and you actually don't have a profile, it will direct you to create a profile first. Then you come back to this page and then you upload a paper. Same thing for my profile. If you don't have a profile, it will route you to the page that will help you create an account over here. And the account is just your address, which is taken by connecting your wallet, and your name, which we ask you. Go to upload a paper over here, and I will enter title. Yeah, I'll upload test document 3. This button is grayed out right now because it is uploading to IPFS, and ideally we should have added a loader over here, but I guess that's a work in progress. So yeah, now that it is colored and enabled, I'll hit publish. This is a transaction on the Mantle testnet network. Mantle test network. What am I doing? Confirm. So Mantle testnet is quite new, and the fees and transaction times fluctuate a lot. So I will go back to research discovery to check if the transaction went through, and it did. Yeah. Enter title over here. Author, researcher name, that is the name I signed up with. So yeah, this part is working just fine. Yeah, I forgot to mention this. If you click here, it will take you directly to the link of the IPFS file. We're using an IPFS gateway over here, a public gateway. But yeah, it's working just fine. I will go back to this page, the home page. I'll go to the library over here. Now, the library has one smart contract which is deployed on Goerli, but it is also using Chainlink price feed. So, since Chainlink price feeds are not available on Mantle testnet, I had to use Goerli. And again, we are switching the network. I asked the user to switch their wallet to the Goerli testnet, since everything is on Goerli. Once you do that, yeah, these 2 books, yeah, this is still a work in progress. We focus more on the research part, and there's a lot of things. There are a lot of things that can be done over here. This we know that this does not look good, and we are creating styles for it right now as we speak. And yeah, this has to change. So I will go to upload a book since I already have a profile. The title, enter some title of book, some short description. Price of my book is $5. I'll upload test doc 3 again. Buttons grayed out because our file is getting uploaded to IPFS, and it is still grayed out, but this has changed because we need a cover image because this is the book, right? I'll upload this. I'll hit publish. Creates a transaction on the Goerli testnet. Confirm. Now we'll wait for the transaction to go through. Again, we should have a loader over here, and yeah, in the near future we will put it here. Yeah, transaction got through. We should be good to go. Yep, it's working. This is a transaction that went through. It's working just fine. So yeah, this cover has to be changed, and we are in the process of changing it. We're going to be using Third Web's IPFS content renderer to show you the cover that we just uploaded. Yeah, that will work fine once we are done with it. And yeah, there's a lot of work that is still left to be done, especially in the library part. But yeah, I think we all think that this platform